All right, good morning, people. Good morning, good morning. Let me just fix you guys up here. A bit too zoomed in here. I don't think you want to see my face that big. Well, it's even bigger. There we go. All right, good morning, everyone. What's going on? Welcome back to another live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Apologies, no stream yesterday, but we are back in business today. We should get the Zoom guys in here, and then we'll get started. Let's get the Zoom guys in here. Bless me. All right, the Zoom guys are joining. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning.
Recording in progress.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hey, Peter. Antonio, what's going on? Shane, what up, man? What up, what up, what up? Hiya, Mark. Good evening, Paul. Wait a minute. Gold with a decent push up today in Asia. Very nice push high on gold in Asia today. Copper has been incredibly choppy the past few days. But Goldie has been having some very, very nice moves. We talked about the gold buys yesterday as well. Let me just fire up the stream deck. Where are we? Yeah, we spoke about these gold buys yesterday up into these levels up here. Once you had a fake out back above this resistance, broke back above bottom wick. 1 o'clock buys in the New York session yesterday on gold were very, very nice. It's pretty much the whole entire move. 100 tick move yesterday in the New York session. Very, very nice. On the minute chart, yeah, minute chart on gold, yeah, it's not the best. It's not the best. Let's make sure we got the top step all up and running. Yeah, awesome. We'll break down the charts. We got gold reacting off a very nice level of resistance. Anyone who is trying to short gold here, stops are going to be above that high, so there's a high chance. There's a high chance we're going to see gold rip these all-time highs today in the London session. That's something we could be looking at, especially if we get a nice bullish closure in the next 5 minutes here. Could have a nice quick pullback, and then potential buys for about 30 plus ticks into all-time highs. So let's get ready for that in a second. Breaking back above this resistance. We got a little trend line coming down here as well. Anyone selling gold, stops are going to be above these levels. So in the next bottom wick in 5 minutes, we could see some longs. We could see some longs. Could see some longs on Goldie. Let me just fix this. It's kind of half the screen here. Let me fix this. That's all right, that'll do. That'll do. Can you see it here? Yeah. Yeah, it had a really nice big push up today in the Asian session. Really nice push. Really nice push yesterday in New York. Really nice push today in Asia. Two amazing opportunities. Whereas London yesterday, there was no real opportunities. But New York and Asia today, two fantastic opportunities on gold. And we'll have a look at copper in a second as well. But for right now, I want to be looking at gold. Gold's going to be breaking back above this key level here. As long as we hold above this level, bottom wicks on gold, and we could see this push higher. Let's see. We got copper. How long got this close? We got about 3 minutes. Just taking a brief look at copper. I'm not gonna really be looking at copper today, because you guys can see, just having a quick look at this 4-hour time frame. Look at this aggressive range. Liquidity down here and liquidity above as well. Remember, it is it is NFP week as well. We got about, what, 2 more days? Today, tomorrow, and Thursday. 3 last days of the month. And then obviously we got NFP on Friday as well. NFP on Friday. We spoke about these lows in the Asian market call for copper to come down and grab. For me personally, it wasn't really worth shorting into. It was too choppy, but it's nice to see it did end up coming down and actually grabbing these lows and these lows down here as well. And you have a lot of trend line liquidity coming up here on copper as well. So there is some big levels coming on copper, but not right now. 2 minutes to this London close. Profit days over 200. I'm not too sure, man. I can check. Before I took my first payout, it was quite a few. Try and build up that buffer first. I know Black Ops has been, man. I know. Hit £405 for squats today. Hoping for a 20 ticks. And the night, yeah, nice work, Antonio. Good work, man. Smashing it, man. Let me just have a quick look to see if there's anything else coming up today. Yeah, you do. You got two. You got big news coming up today as well. Actually, you got consumer confidence 2 p.m. London time, and then Jolt's job openings. 2 very high impact news events, which I would assume will bring in a lot of volume to gold. A lot of volume. So be aware of the New York session. If you're trading the New York session today, 2 o'clock London time, you're gonna have some very big moves. So if you do create some big ranges leading up to that, that is why. That will be why. Yeah, Mark's already like 10th prestige on COD or something. Mark's not left the house all weekend. 54% people short here on gold, 46% people long. Gonna get a nice 30 and hourly close here in a second. 15 looking good as well. Want to see it come down for a bottom wick. Anywhere into here, and then see if we get this continuation about 40 plus ticks. Got prestige to make. But yeah, last few days of the month. I know gold monthly is just absolutely like that. Just say no more. Look at that. Gold has just been since March, just non-stop. You had like one doji close in June, and just non-stop. Absolute crazy push. So you're getting this bottom wick here on gold. If your 15 can come down a little bit more, reflip bullish, re-break the highs, you could be in for a nice flip here on gold. Re-break of the highs up into here and here. You're talking about 25, 26 ticks at least to come up into the all-time high. If this candle can reflip back bullish, we're talking about 30 ticks. So if we can see this 15 flip bullish on gold, we can have some very nice longs. Nice hourly close as well. Grab the lows, reclose back bullish above. Instant bottom wick on this hourly, which is very nice. Very nice. Let's see, 5 minute. So watch this 5 minute as a nice flip. Look at that. Created even more liquidity up here as well. So I'm going to get some gold buys soon. This is the level that we'd want to see held for some longs. So let's see. Almost beat the boss fight for the Easter egg of zombies. I actually haven't played zombies yet. I had no Wi-Fi menu play, so I actually haven't played all weekend. unfortunately. But I would like to play the zombies. Difficult, yeah. It looks it. It definitely looks it. It's good fun though. It's the first time I've actually new COD's come out. It's actually been enjoyable to play. Where's Mark? Mark, are you still here? I've got some sad news for you. Well, not sad news for you, but sad news for me. If we can see gold hold this level, we might start looking for some longs here soon. Ooh, we get some longs on the flip of this candle here in a second on gold. What would that look like? Talking about 18 tick stop. Seeing if you can flip this much high here on gold in a second. Maybe if you close like this, next 5 minutes, give you a little bottom wick. Buying, what was that? Buying from around this area is still pretty nice. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what happened to that daily on gold. I don't know why the daily was so strange looking yesterday. Like it made it look like there was a gap up today, but there wasn't. Making it look like it closed here, gapped up here, but it wasn't. This daily close is completely wrong. It's very strange. Because you go look at it on GC or any other provider, it's completely different. It's completely right as well. That's where it closed, that's where it opened. But if you look at this currency chart on a Wanda, completely different. 5 minutes starting to flip bullish here on gold, which is nice. Let me have a look at this. Stops on the futures. On the futures, this current 5 didn't actually re-grab the last 5, but he did in the currency, which is interesting. Let's see. What do you have into the 5? It's about 25. The 25 ticks into here, that would be the management point would be here. 14. Into here, 24, and then 30. Five coming down. Nice five close there. Grab the lows, close nice and bullish. Stops below this low are very safe here. Very, very safe. If you took this 5 flip here, you got about 18 tick stop. We'll see us close with volume and keep ripping these highs here. You can, yeah, you can. You can mark execute from. If you want to mark execute, you'd be mark executing off this level, or taking the flip. The thing is, you want to see some volume here. You want to see some volume. I mean, from around, yeah, about here. Nice vibe grab. That's the only weird thing is here the futures didn't actually re-grab the lows, but on the currency you did. Currency grabbed the lows, held support, looking good to drive. If this 5 minute close is bearish, then you know you can probably get out there. Let's see. You want to see it flip and drive with volume. And you could look to manage around these highs, but I actually want to see if you can hold this into all-time highs. You're going to flip and see if you can drive. It's not worth securing anything here. It's only like 12 and 20, but it's definitely worth managing because you could easily just create a big range there, grab these highs and just continue to range. So managing here would make the most sense. How's that 15 looking? I don't get too glued in that 5 minute. Yeah, 15 is looking good. Especially as soon as you re-break the highs. Where's the all-time high on the futures? On the futures, all-time high is around 72.6. 72.6. Yeah, it would be a very nice move. Very, very nice move. I would like to see this 5 minute drive though. This 5 minute doesn't drive. I'm skeptical that we just get stuck in a bit of a range. I want to see this, especially after you held the support, you grabbed the lows, held it again, closed nice and bullish. There'd be no reason for this 5 in normal markets to continue pushing. In a trending market, this would just push. And if you don't just push, could you just create a big range? Possibly. So this 5 minute close is going to be pretty key here. Let's see. He's looking good. 15's looking good. Hourly's looking good. 4 hours looking absolutely beautiful. So every single time frame is looking very nice. All we want to see is that volume. That volume continue. $30 seconds here on Goldie. Let's see. Five gonna push. Close bullish on gold. Trying to. Not really. Not much to really say on that 5. Not really too much happening. Coming down for a bottom wick again. What was that? About 4. Yeah, 4 ticks of volume in that 5. No top wick on this current 5, just opening and pushing down. Let's see, 15. Yeah, 15 may come down and grab the lows. Let's see. You can see this current 5 couldn't really, you do have this little minor level that you couldn't really break. But I'm personally keeping this open about 16 on the combine here on gold. No top wick in this 5 either, so 5 minutes just open, a straight push down. I think you may come down and re-grab these lows actually, so I may get out in a second for around 7 or 8. Let's see. This 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. I'm personally getting out there. Oh, I deleted my stop loss, not the position. I'm closing that there on gold about -10. If you were going to drive, you would have driven already. So I am personally going to close gold and wait for this 15 to close, because the 15 may come down and grab these lows a little bit more. I really wanted to see this 5, grab the lows, close bullish, keep pushing. The fact that you couldn't break above this resistance and you're opening with an instant bottom wick, yeah, you could dip a little bit lower here. So I'm personally out of that. I'm happy to wait. Happy to wait. And there you go. You're coming all the way down now. So it's a good little exit. Yeah, good exit, man. There you go. Coming all the way down now. So cut it about -10. Coming down to like almost double right now. So yeah, good close. I was thinking, if you don't see that, if this 5, I mean, I didn't even get a chance to get out of this 5, but as soon as this 5 doesn't drive, you know, after grabbing the lows and closing bullish, you would just push from there. If you can't push from there, well, you're probably just going to chop. You're probably just going to chop. So now I'll simply wait for gold to maybe get back above this level and do the exact same thing again. If you can't get back above that, that's fine. You can keep pushing lower. There's still going to be a lot of people. Yeah, look at this 15. I mean, if the 15 fakes out of this level, then yeah, you got to wait for the next 15 to re-break back above, which I will wait for. So let's see how this 15 is going to close. You have just grabbed the lows here. Look at that, just came down and just grabbed the lows. So fake out buys only once we get back above this level. Get back above that level, great. Copper's also doing nothing. Copper just ranging. Oh, look at this Goldie. Are we actually going to close back above? Let's see. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, for sure, man. Absolutely. We had a really nice volume here. You grab the lows, close nice and bullish with clear targets, and then doji, bam, straight down. Yeah, me too, man. It may because it is all-time highs. You could also still pull back. That's my only concern. Or create some pretty ugly ranges at all-time highs. I personally won't be short on gold today though. Short on gold at all-time highs. So I still like the longs, only once you do get back above here. And if this hourly does close bearish, you know, yeah, you could create a pretty ugly range. But you do still have buys on the flip of the hourly as well. What time is it? 7:14. Let me get up. Let me just get up Ninja. Yeah, 5 minute closed. 5 minute closed bearish there. 15 closing back below this level. Last time you closed back below this, you had a big push down. So the only way you will get buys is if you reclose back above here. Fantastic. But as long as you hold below this level, yeah, you'll just continue to range in between here, which will be a no trade range for me. Only buys once you re-break back above. So now we've got a pretty decent and pretty easy fake out level. Reclose back above, amazing. Sorry, man. Top wick now. I think you may push down a little bit lower. But I will not be shorting gold. I will not be shorting gold. Copper's actually pushing what we want gold to do. Came down, grabbed the lows, re-breaking the highs. This is the volume we want to see in copper. What time frames is 30 minutes? Have a look at the 5. Yeah, look at that. Copper having a beautiful push. Beautiful, beautiful push. So far, I mean, I won't take any sells today, so any downside is all no trade for me personally. I mean, all the way down to here, I won't be taking any sells. So yeah, I'll only have buys. Yeah, buys back above here. Sorry, I'm wrong. The complete wrong chart. Yeah, buys back above here. All of this. I won't be taking any short. I won't be taking any shorts anyway. So I'm taking anything in that. Look at this 30 though. This 30 could still flip. Remember, you still got buys on the flip of this 30. If this 30 can flip, you do still have buys. Because if that 30 flips, what do you have? You still have about 26 minimum ticks. Minimum. Long copper from 4.34. 3420. Yeah, lovely. Yeah, lovely. Pretty much like the same as gold. Came down, grabbed the lows, but copper continued pushing. Gold did not. Let's have a look at Goldie here. What are you up to, Goldie? Yeah, anywhere in here. Ooh. We'll be careful of, because here, anywhere in all-time highs, you can just aggressively chop, especially before consumer confidence and jolts job openings. That's why I'm main trading on Combine here. And anything before that, and especially all-time highs, you can create some pretty. Like look at these aggressive ranges you get close to these all-time high regions before having the push. Look at this, huge, big ranges, and the big moves can come in. Love the day spa music, thank you, man. Actually, like the day spa music. It's nice and relaxing for us in the London session.
How is everyone? How are you? How's going, fam?
Hey, good man, good, chilling. How are you, man?
Living a dream.
Good man.
You know what I'm saying?
Living the dream.
Trying to get to pet first level, but you know. Sammy got there first, you know.
Sammy living his best life.
Yeah. Like what Kate put in her story, she's like, you reposted it. I come from like rescue dog to pet dog.
Yeah, he's had his come up. Sammy's had his come up for sure. Yeah, he's been on his grind. Sammy's been on his grind. Go on, Goldie, get back above. Give us some volume. Let me get off that 5 minute on copper. 5 minute on copper is awful. 50 no, beautiful. Maybe, man. It's kind of too hard to say, really. Look at the hourly. Grab the lows, close bullish. Grab the highs, close bearish. Grab the lows, close bullish. Unless you, I don't know, aggressively close back below here, maybe. But for me personally, I won't be trading against a 72 plus tick bullish candle. So even if you do come down for lows, I'm not really too interested. But in terms of like, do I think? I honestly have absolutely no idea. It just, maybe if you close back below there, you could maybe react to that. But as of right now, previous hourly close bullish. So you just want to be trading what we see, and yeah, looking for the longs. Not the 1 minute. No, give us some. Go on, give us some 1 minute levels.
1 minute.
Need some 1 minute scalps today.
I was so bored yesterday. Finished work early and I'm just getting drained. I could have like 3 ticks there. So stupid. In beefeater with my plated Guinness at 2 p.m.
Look at this. We're trying to get back above here on gold. Nice thing is it came down and grabbed the previous 15 lows. Haven't grabbed any of the highs, so either the 30 flip or the 15-minute fake out. Yeah, longs are still on the cards. Long bias is not over. The long bias on me isn't over till you come and grab all-time highs. So for me personally, I won't be taking a zero. I'll be taking 0 shorts today. Especially not after yesterday's close. Well, not that, but the actual yesterday close. Even if you do look at the, if you look at the 30 flip as well, 30 flip is, you know, 27, still 27 plus ticks. Buys yesterday were way nicer because it was, you had a 100 tick range. Well, today it's only 27. Yesterday's was much easier because you had minimum 100. Well, today you have a maximum of 26. Yesterday you had a maximum of 100. Unless, you know, unless we do come all the way down to here without grabbing the highs, then fantastic. Then you have fake out buyers into the New York session, which would again be another 100, same as yesterday, which would be huge. Let me put this. Let's delete that. We've got 7 minutes. 7 minutes to this 30 minutes. Gonna close here on gold. Let's have a look. Get off the 1 minute. Oh, it's making me go on the 1 minute. Holding this little resistance level here on gold. The closure's back above just yet. Yeah, copper's having a beautiful push now. Now all of a sudden copper's looking way nicer than gold. Copper's doing exactly what we wanted gold to do. Grab the lows, closing bullish, pushing higher. Look at that. That's a 30 tick move. Very nice. Moving nicer than gold again. From the 15. Let me go back to the 30. Yeah, even on the 30. Grabbing the lows, holding support. You know, longs off that level. Once you grab the lows, start rejecting. 25 ticks. So to be fair, that's a pretty big push up for only 25 ticks, but still a pretty nice move. 4 hour. Very choppy. Did you grab the lows? You kind of created 2 lows there. But yeah, copper's doing exactly what we wanted gold to do. So if gold can wake up and do the same, that'd be fantastic. Be very nice. Very nice. Sorry, man. I didn't, man. Who did?
Spanish defender midfielder face Man City. Shit to the field. Anyway, Haaland in it. Overton Junior.
Where is it? Oh yeah. Rodri. Yeah. Just exit copper. 34 ticks. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, 34 ticks on copper when you're in such an aggressive range, yeah, is fantastic, man. Lock that in for sure. It's a great trade. It's a really nice trade as well. You know, you faked out of this level, you broke back above, you held support twice, and had a really nice Really, really nice push. A great trade, man. Really, really nice trade. Let's go on Angel. Yeah, really, really nice push. It's kind of what we're trying to get gold to do as well. But gold's having a little bit of a snooze for now. But the easy thing on gold right now when you form these like fake out levels is your job's pretty easy now. All you literally do is wait for price to close back above this level, confirm the fake out, and then you go long again. So anything in between, you know, like I say, is very, very simple. You're just waiting for that closure back above, and then easy. Let's have a look here. What are we up to? 41% people long, 59% people short here on gold on Top Step. Hourly, if this hourly does close bearish, I won't be trading the next hour because you'll be creating some ugly ranges. So we need to see this hourly actually drive. So this hourly will confirm whether or not we keep watching this before major news today. Because like I say, if the hourly closes bearish again, look at the past hours since 2 a.m. London time. Grab the highest doji, grab the lowest bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. So if this next hour closes bearish, yeah, you won't be trading until the next hour. So there'll be no point watching the 8 a.m. candle. You come back at the 9 a.m. because the range will just start to get very, very tough. Very, very tough. Good luck with gold today. Thank you, man. I think we need it with gold today. Probably plan on platinum. Got shame for a cent it. Platinum. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look at platinum. Ooh. Big move. Yeah, kind of similar move to gold actually. Really, really nice push. Really nice push. Yeah, everything had a really nice push yesterday. Yeah, oil did have some crazy moves over the weekend. Some big gaps down on oil. And a very, very, very big sell-off. A very big sell-off on oil. Big gap down. Closing below 70 again. Coming back down into these major lows around 65 on a higher time frame on oil. Huge gap on oil. Absolutely huge. Do we take the previous candle close into account, like at the 30 or hourly closed against? But as a sub, I mean, yeah. I mean, if the hourly and 30 aren't closing as you've expected, then I wouldn't even be looking at the 15, man. I only drop down to lower time frames once the hourly or 30-minute has confirmed a breakout. That's why I was taking that trade on the 15, on the 5-minute here, on this hour. Because this hour came down, grabbed the lows, closed bullish, broke back above this resistance with clear targets. So great. 7 a.m. candle, you can start dropping down to lower time frame looking for some longs. But if this, if this candle here didn't actually break out, I wouldn't even be watching this right now. So you only really want to be dropping down once you get, that confirmation on them time frames. Otherwise, if you just drop down to straight down to the 5-minute or the 15, you just get chopped up. You go back and look at the hourly, you're like, well, we were in a massive range. Why was I trying to force something? So yeah, you only drop down once it's confirmed on the higher time frame. And it can be something as simple as just, the past hourly grab lows and close bullish, fantastic. 7 a.m. candle, I want to be looking for some great longs. I still do think you're going to get these really nice longs today. It's just whether it comes now or it comes closer to consumer confidence, which is probably very likely. So I don't actually even, I won't even look at the 15. What I set alerts? How quick are you jumping on the charts? I mean, as soon as my alerts are going off, I'm trying to have a look, man. Like if I'm looking for gold to break back above this level, you can I literally just set alert just here. As soon as this alert goes off, cool, I'll start having a look at the charts again. But the markets don't really move that fast that you're ever going to miss a move. Like even here, with the buys that we spoke about yesterday, it's like, well, even if you didn't get it here, or you didn't get it here, so you still had a little pullback, you still could have got it here, could have got it here, could have got it here. So the markets are never going to really move that insanely fast that you're never going to catch it. There's always opportunity, especially when you break out with the volume. That's why them buys yesterday is like could have been taking it here, could have been taking it here, could have been taking it here, could have been taking it here. As long as you haven't grabbed the highs, any little pullback and rejection is still an opportunity to still get in that trade. Hourly here on gold. A close like this is fine. Can trade the next hour. What I don't want to see on this hour is you actually close back below here. I think I'm missing. Yeah, possibly a lack of. Yeah, possibly a lack of chart time, man. Just knowing that the markets really don't move that fast. The markets don't move as fast as we think. As long as you have liquidity still in play, there's still always plenty of opportunity to get involved with it, man. Markets only move fast when in drawdown. Yeah, that's true. 15 kind of chopping a bit here on gold. I really want to see this fake out so we can trade the next tower. Otherwise, today you may be trading closer to back closer to 9 to 10 a.m. London time, depending on this 15. Especially if you re-break this low. If you re-break this low, you'll come lower or just continue to range. But this is our level where we want to see closures back above for buys back up into the all-time high regions for about 40 ticks. Copper's still on a beautiful push. Look at that beautiful push on copper. Really nice push. Oh, wrong chart. Yeah, copper booming. Copper's booming. Goldie in an aggressive range since 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Look at this 5 minute. Let's have a look at something else. Let's have a look. How long have we got? About 25 minutes. Let's see. It's Nasdaq been up to the past yesterday in the weekly close. Let's have a look. Yeah, huge ranges here on Nasdaq as well. Look at that. Look at that weekly closed in pretty much the exact same place, same as last week. Very, very doji closes around that all-time high resistance as well. Can't you grab on the lows? Let's see. Big support being held, big resistance above. Yeah, there's some pretty big ranges on everything really. It is NFP week. Well, I mean, even though it's NFP week, I think today's going to be a huge day for everything. Consumer confidence and JOLTS job openings is going to be it's going to be a very, very big day. A very, very big day. I'm not allowed to trade NAS. Sorry, man. I'll get off. Sorry, Ash. Sorry, man. No, we're not allowed. Ash said no, sir. Not allowed to trade NAS. Sorry, Ash. It does, yeah. It was very different. Very, very different. 2 trades recently hit my stop loss, then bounced. Yeah, potentially either getting too early, man, or just getting stuck in ranges. Either getting in too early or stuck in ranges. honestly, that so far this week, the only trade there has been for me, I mean, it's only Tuesday. The nicest trade so far was the buys that we spoke about. Once you rebroke back above that resistance, like that's the only real trade that I've seen so far. So if you taking anything other than that, that to me has been the only real opportunity. That's what we said in our pre-New York market call yesterday. Grab some blows, close back above this level, targets into here. Other than that, there was absolutely nothing in here. And there wasn't really too much to try and catch this move up in Asia because it happened very, very fast right at the open as well. So other than this, yeah, to me there's been no opportunities yet on gold. I took that trade. Yeah, nice. Nice, Ash. Good man. It was a really, really nice push. Really nice push. Wait, Ash, you better not be just been trading gold. If you trade in gold, I'm going to have to put you in a... I just pinned your message back, so that's even worse. Don't do that. I'm going to have to put you in a 5-second timeout, I think. Where's timeout? How long? 10 seconds for trading gold, I reckon? Simbin, yeah, I reckon at least 10 seconds. At least. Let's have a look at S&P. S&P, look at this price action. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Where was let's have a look. Where was New York yesterday? New York, yeah, look at that. Look at New York price action on S&P yesterday. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish. That's some pretty wild price action across everything. I actually think gold. You compare gold and S&P and Nas on the hourly yesterday. I think they actually had much cleaner moves. So I think Ash has come to the decision that gold moves nicer, maybe just off that one time. Yeah, he just doesn't want to admit it yet. I know something people have been looking at. A few people have been speaking to me recently about is where are we? Yeah, gold was clean yesterday. Oh, Ben, yeah, it was. Yeah, gold was much clean. I mean, that's a good thing about just filtering out what's looking nicer and what's not. Like gold right now, this hourly close is bearish. There's no need to watch gold for the next however long. Yeah, really, really big pushes, man. Really big pushes. I don't know what the sizing's like. I've never actually traded it, but it's very, 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 very big moves. Very big moves. Goldie's coming to dip a little bit lower, unfortunately. I say unfortunately because I have no downside bias. We're bullish. Even for little scalps, it's still not worth it to me. Takes a lot of margin, a lot of lots. Yeah. I imagine. I don't know what the feels like. Come on, gold. Gold was looking so good. Gold was looking so beautiful. Grab lows, close bullish. Some beautiful liquidity above. In 90 minutes, if this hourly closes bearish, like I say, that will be, you'll be waiting more so till closer to 9 AM London time. I personally haven't taken a personal trade all week. I wasn't really on the charts too much yesterday. I didn't retrade Asia today. I was locked out of my house for about 4 hours this morning, which was fun. Quick morning coffee turned into a 4-hour being locked out of the house.
Okay.
Yep. But my apartment this time, different one. I have very good luck, man.
You guys better stop doing that.
I know. I thought it'd be fun. Thought it'd be a good laugh. No, just picked up the wrong keys. Dax has already had a nice move. I don't know about that. I don't know. Oh, let's not look at that. Gave you a key to go around your neckline, Granny. I know. Well, the first time it wasn't my fault last week, but then this time this was absolutely my fault. Yeah, that's a beautiful push. What time is that? About 5 a.m. London time. Broke back above that level. It's huge. If you just took it up into there, that's a beautiful push, man. Let's never look at that again. Yeah, I definitely need some keys around my neck, that's for sure. I absolutely do. So my combine is minus $572 here today. $572, took 4 contracts. Retreat itinerary looks good. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, it's looking good, man. We got some cool stuff planned. We got some cool stuff planned for the retreat. It's gonna be an awesome trip, man. So lots of trading sessions. We got the conference room for like 2 days. Yeah, lots planned, man. I'm looking forward to it. Dax is not on top step. No, it's not. I do believe it probably will be in soon. I don't have any sort of confirmation, but I do believe it will be in soon. Oh, wrong one on screen. Unless you want to look at yourselves. Put a specky on the dog's collar. Yeah, well, he was locked in today. He was locked in and we were locked out for some selfish reason. He didn't open the door for us. Gonna be gold, pun intended. Yeah, absolutely, man. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. Really looking forward to it. Got some cool things planned. Not on the G. No, it's not. It's not on. Not on top step just yet. I don't know what the futures is for the DAX anyway. What is it? What is it? DY? Is that it? No. Is it literally just DAX? But no, it's not. Not yet. DAX futures. Yeah, just DAX. Nah, I do believe they'll top step will probably get it going at some point. I do like how top step have just also added micro copper as well, which is good. Yeah, so much liquidity on the upside, man. You're gonna get some nice pushes today, but we need to be patient for it. We need to be really patient for it. I know, man. I know. UX tax futures FDX. Yeah, I do believe they'll get it. I do know some of the other guys who do trade futures, who also do trade on top step, have been asking for it. So I'm sure they'll get it popping at some point. What's Goldie up to here? Yeah, the DAX man. The DAX man. Actually, the DAX man.
Never traded it.
I've never traded it, man. I've never traded it, but we'll give Ash the benefit of the doubt that it did actually have a nice move today. That's a really nice move, actually. But no, I have never traded it either. I've never traded it either. Decent sell-off yesterday as well. Perfect for London. Yeah, that's what I'm just looking at. Friday. Decent push between 9 to 10. Thursday, about 7 a.m. to about 9. Today, about 5 until 7. Big sell-off on Tuesday, around 9 a.m. Monday, around 9 a.m. again. 8:30. Yeah, to be honest, that's what I think you're going to see on gold today. I think if you're going to see any push on gold today, it's more likely going to be around that 9 a.m. candle. Unless this 30-minute gets back above here. Yeah, I agree. I'm not a huge fan of the micros either, man. No, DAX on top side. No, not yet, man. Not yet. Not yet. There's a big move in Asia, really. That's interesting, man. Alright, guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to run and grab a drink, run to the toilet, and we'll see this Next few 5-minute closes. Be 2 seconds. Biggest errors, a lot of sitting hands. Yeah, I definitely agree with that, man. I definitely agree with that. Definitely requires a lot of patience, that's for sure. It's not one that you can jump on and start scalping the 5-minute and get, you know, huge pushes every day, that's for sure. Kind of like today. Grinding a little bit lower here on gold. %42 people long, 58% people short. Not a whole heap going on here on Goldie just yet. Still holding this level that we were speaking about very strong. Not enough to want to short it though, but it's being held that strongly that, you know, like I say, once we do get back above here, great. So this is our fake out level. If for some reason gold pre-news does come all the way down here, our fake out level will then become here. That'll become our fake out level, and then we can look for longs from there. But as it stands right now, in this little range that we're in, breaks back above here, amazing, will react to some buys. If you do keep pushing down, I'm not really interested in the sells, but I will wait for price to, if you do get down here, look for some fake outs, because you could have a really nice buying opportunity. Especially with you coming. Let me get rid of this daily. I hate this daily chart and this currency chart. Daily chart here on the futures. Faked out of this big level. Rejected, close bullish. Yeah, to me there's a high chance you're going to see gold print some all-time highs today. Yeah, 550, 10 for 100. Yeah, max of 550, 10 for 100, 15 for a 15 for 150.
I thought it was that.
Yeah. But yeah, October has been, you know, another absolute just monster of a month on gold again. Look at this. It's absolutely booming. from this area. I agree. I agree. Look at this. Just another, just absolutely just insane month on gold. Absolutely incredible. I agree. That's what I'm looking for today. I'm looking for a really nice, decent push into these highs. Like we said at the start of the stream, I do believe anyone who's trying to short gold here is currently making bank, but I don't think it's going to last for long. Anyone shorting here on gold, stops are going to be above this all-time high region, so the likelihood of us ripping these all-time highs and printing a new all-time high is very high. And the good thing about trying to get buys up into that all-time high is, who knows, could we just grab these all-time highs and start pulling back? Maybe. There's also a chance that you grab these all-time highs and also just continue ripping for a new all-time high, and you can hold some pretty decent runners. So being on the buy side of gold today as opposed to looking for some downside, being on the buy side gives you a much better risk to reward. Let's have a look, man. Where are we? Wow, look at that move in Asia. What a move. Nasdaq moving in Asia. What have we got? 8 minutes. Don't close bearish gold. I'd love to see gold start to flip bullish or throw some rejections. I really don't want to see this hourly close as we currently are, because otherwise I'll be waiting for buys back above here, and I won't be watching that ATM candle, unfortunately. So see if we can get these. See if we get these rejections. Even reject back above here, and I'll still consider it into buying into the ATM. But if we close bearish in 6 minutes, I won't be watching gold till 9 AM. I'll let the next hour play out, and I won't be getting chopped up in this range. So we gotta be super disciplined in here. Shame I wasn't watching copper, because copper's had the move again today, which is surprising because copper has also been in some overall pretty ugly ranges. But looking back, you broke back above at 6 AM London time. You held support. You re-grabbed the low at 7 AM. Flipped bullish and had a really, really nice drive. So if I had to say out of copper and gold today, what's had the nicest move? Definitely copper so far. I think gold's going to get a nice move today. Do I think it's going to happen in the next hour? Probably not. Just simply based off this hourly. That's why, if you look at the hourly and the hourly's like this, there's zero benefit to you jumping down to your 5 minute and trying to look for some scalps and getting just chopped up all day. When the hourly does break out, cool, you give your buys a shot. If it doesn't work, you continue to range, that's fine. You just wait for it to re-break back above and you give your trade another chance when the opportunity makes sense. If anyone's looking at anything else, feel free to send it over. We can break down some other charts. Doesn't have to just be gold. We can look at some other markets the next 5 minutes.
I was looking at now, but it just doesn't.
Yeah, big ranges, man. We do have big news today. Nice barcode for me. If you trade barcodes, yeah, this is great price action. Oil, yeah, let's have a look at oil. I know you had a big gap. You had a big gap down on oil over the weekend and broke back below $70, which is a huge area. On an intraday perspective, though, you could come back up into these areas. You're already having a pretty decent reaction from this support area, so you could see a little pullback, 68s-ish. Again, you're in a very tight range. You've had a big gap down, big push down. But to revisit these highs would make the most sense. Futures equivalent to GJ is either just looking at pound futures or yen futures. So if we'll do it on this chart. Where are we? Sorry, 6B is the pound futures. Wrong chart. Let me get you guys up here. So 6p will give you pound futures. So if you're looking at something like GJ and it's pushing down or it's pushing up, you can kind of understand, you know, which futures you do want to trade, whether one's getting stronger or weaker. You know, you can look at pound futures, and then you can look at the yen futures as well, and then see which is performing the nicest setup. That's going to be the best way for you to do it, man. Because there's no exact future for pound yen. It's just either pound futures or yen futures. But you know, if pound yen's going up, it's because the pound's getting stronger and the yen's getting weaker. So then they can buy. Okay, cool. Let me have a look at pound futures for some buy setups. Great. Mentoring session. I'll post that in Discord, man. I'll really post it to here. I'll post it in Discord, man. Yeah, stick with the gold or NAS. Yeah, I agree. I personally don't like trading currency futures personally. They don't move anywhere near as nice as gold or NAS or copper. But if you did want to trade it, that would be how you would trade it. But to be honest, I enjoy not trading any currencies anymore, personally. But you know, some people do. Some people love trading like Euro USD, for example. You know, Euro USD is just Euro futures. That, you know, any currency pair against the US dollar is just the exact same as pound futures, pound USD, AUD USD, just Australian futures, Euro futures, Euro USD. Absolutely anything. You know, New Zealand dollar. You know, just type in 6N. New Zealand dollar, type in absolute anything that's ... USD is New Zealand futures or whatever currency futures. And it's actually, you know, on top step you do actually, you know, if some trading, you know, currencies is what you like to do, like you've got, I know people do love to trade Euro USD. If you do want to trade futures but you think you can't trade futures, you absolutely can. You can actually trade quite a lot of currency futures on Top Step. I think they probably have an updated article somewhere. But you can, you know, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, yen, euro, pound, Swiss franc, pound. You can trade the Mexican peso if you really want to. New Zealand dollar, AUD USD, which is just the Australian dollar. Ash, nice Ash. Ash is on a secret account. Ash getting exposed. It's still light out? Yeah, it's still light out. Well, guys, this hourly is going to close, unfortunately, bearish. You see this price action, you close doji, you close bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So for me personally, I won't be watching gold until this next candle closes. Spread on gold's futures is instant executions, man. You got instant executions. Let me just take a. See, literally instant. I had to take a $30 loss there just to show you that. So I hope you enjoyed that. But yeah, instant execution. There's no spreads in the futures. But yeah, so I'm not personally going to be watching the charts, guys, until like 8:55. I want to see this next hour close back above here, or you know, aggressively back below here, in order for me to want to consider another trade. So with this current price action, unfortunately this morning there's no need to watch it. We have plenty of opportunities coming up today, but it's not going to be in this current 8 AM candle, unfortunately. So yeah, you guys on Zoom, I won't make you watch it. Don't watch this 8 AM candle. Come back at 9 AM, see if we get a breakout. Fantastic, we'll get another trade. But for now, stay patient, don't force it. We've got plenty of time today. It's only 8 AM London time. I'll let you guys go and I'll update you guys in the trade setups. I'll talk to you guys soon, Zoom guys. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube guys. Unfortunately, gold's ranging today, so I don't want to make you guys sit here and watch gold, the gold range. You're not gonna get a next trade on gold till you get that 8 AM candle actually close. So in the meantime, save your mental capital. Come back once you do get that breakout, if you do get that breakout. If not, that's fine. Come back to the next candle. But the good thing is don't force it. I took about 11 tick stop loss there. So once I do get the next breakout, cool, we'll go again. But in the meantime, we'll be back live again tomorrow, exactly the same time. Hopefully get more volume and hopefully we can stay on for longer. But enjoy the rest of your day, guys. And I'll talk to you all very, very soon. Big news today. Don't force it. See you guys next time. Peace.